cleaning up this morning. Gonna clean up the TV room. It's Sunday. We're going to do a Sunday reset. I always keep the table clear of anything on the dining room table. The floors need attention. My husband is doing linens today. Those are the bathing suits from swimming yesterday. Gonna fold some laundry. Take care of the bathroom. My kids like to sleep in. They'll take care of their own bedrooms later today. Gotta find a place for the new mulch for the gerbil. And we gotta take care of the kitchen. There's stuff all over the place. Things get out of hand very quickly here. Stuff all over the countertop. I'm getting myself motivated today. We're gonna do a Sunday reset. We're gonna start in the kitchen and finish off in the bathroom with a mop in the kitchen. I'm gonna sweep throughout first and get the front part of the home all mopped before I mop in the kitchen last. Now we're focusing on the dish drain. I like to wash the dish drain itself down a couple times a week and wash under it every other day so we don't get any soap scum or anything nasty in it. It's always healthy to keep a clean dish drain, including the utensil cart that holds all the forks and knives and spoons and everything. There's not a lot in the sink. We're going to tackle it and then scrub it down with soapy hot water and hose it down. Then wipe it out with a clean tea towel. Well, the tea towels will go in tomorrow's wash. Today we're just doing bed linens, comforters, blankets, sheets, and then Tuesday we'll do the kids' bedrooms. So we're not monotonizing the water tank all day long with two other tenants that live here. Hosing out the sink now, and then we're going to turn our attentions to the countertop. Hot soapy water is all it takes, and a clean tea towel. Off to the other side now. I'm going to wipe out the microwave. Friday I did the big dish in the microwave so it doesn't need it again. Make sure there's no sugar or creamer all over the counter. Wipe down all the hot plates. Make sure the coffee pot is rinsed out and ready for tomorrow. We like to make our own coffee. I have been for years. Now we are sweeping up the floor, and I will mop in here at the end of the video so I can get the rest of the mopping done in the front of the house first, as I mentioned. Onto the laundry. Gonna get it all folded up. 3 piles. My husband puts away his own clothes, mine and my 2 kids. I'll take out a couple of outfits for Jacqueline for Monday and Tuesday to make the mornings run a little smoother. We're into short season now, sometimes tank tops, depending on how cool the morning is. It gets pretty warm here quickly. This is the earliest it's been, other than one day in April, a long time ago, where it's been 90s. It was very nice yesterday. We spent the day swimming at our favorite waterfall. I'll add some pictures at the end of this video. I have a photography page if interested, Suzanne's Scene Photography. We have a Facebook page and a Facebook group linked to this channel called Let Us Eat, Cook, Clean, and Family. If you're interested in joining the group, I post daily photos, recipes, and all kinds of fun. And I always post our newest videos to the group and to the Facebook page. All the links are in the information in my description box down below. We also have a Pinterest page, and we have a Coffee Addicts group and a Retro Shack if you like 70s, 80s, and 90s. Those links are also listed in my description box down below. Now we're going to sweep up in here. I sweep every single day, sometimes 2-3 times a day, depending on how messy it is in here and how much we use the space. It is zoned off. We have the dining room table area, which I try to keep clutter-free 100% of the time. The pet stays in here because she likes to scratch and make loud noises, although she's getting very old. She's ending her life soon. They only live 3 years. She's a little over 3. That's very sad, but we love her very much. Then we have the freezer on the left with the cube that houses all the shoes and a cupboard that houses a lot of my craft items that I need when I'm making videos for you guys. Onto the mopping. I'm going to get under the table. My TV area on the back of the great room. It's split up in between 2 places. We have a dining area that is zoned off between a breezeway and an area where we have our second freezer. That is our TV area with the couch, the TV, and some bookcases. We're going to get things cleaned up and wiped down in there. The blanket's going to go downstairs to get washed. And I'm going to shake the rug out, and the rug's also going to get washed. Now we're going to shake out the rug and take the blanket to the middle of the house so it goes downstairs to the wash. And do a full sweep in here, and move the table out of the way. And grab another gulp of my coffee. Sometimes I chug coffee in the morning when I'm feeling sluggish. The table will stay up against the couch until after I mop, then I'll put it back. Very easy to move. It's actually a memory chest. A lot of dust today, as I just showed you. Now we are spraying the couch with some disinfectant. I guess it was more than just allergies, just a tiny little head cold. Nothing serious. The test for COVID came out negative, thankfully. And a nice mop in here, get rid of all those germs. This orange bottle really does very well. When my kids both had COVID, it kept it at bay and it didn't spread between the whole household. Got to really clean and clean thoroughly when you have the COVID in your home. Wiping down all the controllers and the tray. Now we're doing the TV stand and the TV with the devices up on top. The bookcases. Getting all the knickknacks. I don't like the dust, but it really needs dusting today. Then we'll do the corner cupboard before we move on to the bathroom. I've had that cupboard since I was about 25 years old. The shelves were my mother's. I like to collect knickknacks and things. I get some really nice pieces from the Dollar Tree occasionally. In the bathroom now, I'm going to do the sink and toilet. And then I do the shower off camera. The last place we're going to do is mop the kitchen floor. Putting some Comet down, also in the toilet. I'm going to scrub it well, in the basin and around it, underneath everything, and then scrub the faucets thoroughly. They should be wiped down a few times a day, especially if there's a cold in the house, to keep it from spreading. Scrubbing. On to the toilet now. It's a very awkward angle. I've mentioned this many times before. Apologize for my back. I'm going to do the inside of the toilet only with the rim part. Then the outside is with a bottle from Dollar Tree, the LA Awesome with orange, and a clean washcloth. The scrub brush only touches the lip outer parts and the inside of the bottle. I noticed that the garbage can was full, and I replaced the bag. Finally into the kitchen. I'm going to mop it because we already swept it earlier. Nice good scrubbing. Make sure all the germs are gone. This bottle really does a good job. Thank you for watching.